Car key replacement McKinney. Call Meyer's Locksmith for assistance if your car key is lost or you may need an additional car key. We provide the best car key replacement in McKinney, Texas. We are a mobile car locksmith service that provides 24/7 emergency car lockout services to people who need their cars unlocked, quickly and efficiently. McKinney's best car keys replacement service. Cheap car key replacement. The cheap way to get a car key replacement is by having at least one car key copy to show the locksmith for key cutting purposes and chip key duplication. Expensive car key replacement. When you have no key at all, that would cost you more. To make a car key without an existing key, the locksmith has to buy tokens to connect your car's ECU with his device. All car keys replacements. The reason people from all over Dallas, Texas, are coming or requesting a service. From Fort Worth to McKinney, Texas, Meyer's Automotive Locksmith Services are well known. Meyer's Automotive Locksmith Services in McKinney, Texas. When looking for locksmith experts near McKinney, there's only one option to call: Meyer's Locksmith. In any emergency, we're here to help.